Okay, so we're just coming out of Ramona, and we're going to a place to have lunch now called Jeremy's on a Hill, which is just outside of Julien, California. And as we're going up into the hills or the mountains, they just had a snowstorm here the other day, and people at the Ramona Wine Ranch were advising, hey, be careful if you're going to take that route to the Salton Sea. But you can see there's just this beautiful snow. It's a winter wonderland. Okay, we've arrived. We're at Jeremy's on the Hill, just in time for lunch. Yeah, look at this. I don't think they're expecting any snow here, Vic. Unfortunately, it collapsed the tent that they had in the back.
So we're currently at Jeremy's place up on the hill in Julien. Jeremy is from Julien, so he actually lives here.
As you can see, this is the only road in, and there's only one road out. So
Oh, really? Wow. Yeah.
that's the reason why we get so much traffic.
Julien is also the place where Lori's family has a place.
That's Brad's wife. Yeah, my wife.
Brad's wife.
Yeah.
And we've been driving around, but we haven't spotted it so far.
Wow.
And what did you call it? You call it something?
Snowmageddon.
Snowmageddon. Yeah, just because it, yeah. But then the restaurant's going to be busy, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's
we
awesome,
are
yeah.
ready. We are ready to go.
This is Jeremy's sister.
Right, Bree, right?
You got it.
Yeah. Hey, and you're a sommelier?
Certified Sommelier, so that's level 2, and I have my level 3 Advanced Wine Spirits Education Trust.
Awesome, awesome. So we just came from the Ramona Wine Ranch, and we just stopped in there just for fun, and it was fantastic. And I noticed you got one of the bottles there.
Yeah.
But tell us about some of the California wines here and what you bring into the restaurant.
We have some great California wines. In that bottle that you're talking
Yeah.
about, by the way, they invited us out for helping bottling and corking.
Right.
So I actually got to help with the corking that
Oh,
one.
you're kidding.
Yeah.
Is that, which one is that the Super Tuscan? Or?
Sangiovese.
Oh, yeah. So I bought 2 of those today, yeah. Tell us really quickly about Jeremy's on the Hill and how that came to be.
Oh, sure. So Jeremy's my younger brother, Cordon Bleu,
Yeah.
trained chef. I got my sommelier sibling rivalry.
Yeah.
We grow most of the produce for the restaurant just 3 driveways from here.
Wow.
Actually, every photo that you see on the wall will be from
Yeah.
our family farm.
Yeah. Yeah.
We started out with a country and retreat center, and when
Yeah.
we were just kids, Jeremy
Yeah.
was 10 years old prepping food.
Yeah.
I was just old enough to carry stuff out, and it
Yeah.
kind of stuck.
Well, so we're having the ribeye. We're sharing that. And we're having French fries with that because it's lunchtime, is what I figured.
It's good stuff.
And this is your #1 seller.
Oh yeah, and there it is.
Brussels sprouts.
And so tell us about that.
It's fun. They're flash fried in sustainable sunflower oil, so they still are technically healthy the whole way through. Tossed in ponzu sauce, some others are apple slaw on top. Has some great acidity to kind of balance out the ponzu.
Which is the winery that we should stop at, where the grapes speak for themselves?
You know, I really like Chuparosa.
Ah.
Chuparosa's fun. We were supposed to do a wine pairing dinner with them last night, but the snow, kind of threw a lot of things off.
Okay.
But Carolyn, the female part of the team there, is a wine rights lawyer, and Andy's a chemist by trade.
Wow.
So between the two of them, they are very precise, and there's not a lot of artistry per se. It's more letting the grapes express themselves.
Oh, okay.
They have some neat white wines that a lot of other people can't pull off in Ramona. I
Okay.
would check those out.
Okay.
Yeah, usually it's too hot a climate.
Now, because we met Terry today. I mean, they've got some excellent wines there too,
They're
right?
incredible. Yes, definitely. Yeah, and it's neat that
Yeah.
one of the neat things about Terry and Nicole is that they capture wild yeast, and then that plays a big part of how their wines express themselves.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But they play around with oak and everything too. So like their Viognier, if you
Right.
blind taste
Yes.
it, you can't tell if it's a red or a white.
Right. We tried that today. Yeah, that'd be fun to do a blind taste test there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
But no,
Yeah.
we love them. They're also the only certified sustainable winery in Ramona.
Right.
Which
Awesome.
is nice. They have an insectary too.
Oh,
So
okay.
like a little insect habitat and
Wow.
stuff.
Well, we're looking forward to this. Thanks so much again. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
It's a great
Thanks, Bree. Yeah.
Appreciate
Take care.
it.
Yeah. You bet. So we've got the lobster bisque we're going to try here, and Brussels sprouts, which apparently are the most popular item on the menu here at Jeremy's on Hill. So, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Honey, I'm eating my greens. These are actually, you make tremendous Brussels sprouts, but Julien really knows how to do it. Now, they can make them gluten-free. So my wife Lori is celiac, so that's always on the lookout for gluten-free options. These are not gluten-free and they're absolutely delicious, but they're more than happy to make them gluten-free. So, wow.
This is really part of the story of life. It's in the contrasts that we appreciate the life story. There's so many flavors and contrasts that just pops. It's really wonderful. And also even on a bigger scale of the story of life, it's, you appreciate such a great meal. Because this is part of living, eating well.
We've got a ribeye steak that they split for us, and we got the garlic French fries because it's lunchtime. And you know, they cut it for us. We split a 16-ounce ribeye steak, and Chef actually cut it for us. So it's got some gorgonzola on it. It's got some caramelized onions. Look at that, it's perfectly done. First bites, Vic, on the steak. Vic. That's actually one of the most flavorful steaks I think I've ever had.
It is, yeah.
Perfect end to a perfect lunch. We had just an amazing lunch here at Jeremy's on the Hill, and highly recommend that you come here and try out Jeremy's on the Hill just outside of Julien, California. Amazing.
In fact, this is so amazing. We believe we're going to put on some tags to that. A number one.
Yeah.
And find that I'm number one, top of the list, head of the heap, king of the hill.
We just had one of the most amazing meals here at Jeremy's on the Hill in Julien, California. Recommended by Kimberly at the Ramona Ranch Winery. So thank you, Kimberly.
Thank you, Kimberly.
Big
Great.
shout out. If we hadn't have stopped there just by seeing your sign on the side of the road, we wouldn't have found Jeremy's on the Hill. Fantastic food. And then once we got inside there, the service and the hospitality was fantastic. Not to mention,
Cassandra did a great job serving us.
thanks, Cass, for serving us. And then we also had a chance to meet Bree, who is Jeremy's sister, and she is the restaurant sommelier. You know, we had a lot of fun with all of them, but you know what? The food is outstanding. You guys are such great sports for letting us film a little bit in there. And thanks for
Thank you, Bree.
just an awesome experience.
Bree was a sommelier at the Del Hotel in Coronado.
That's right.
Which is
Yeah.
quite an amazing thing too.
She was actually training all the servers there at the Hotel Del. You know, she's got to be good, right? Anyway, thanks again, guys. It was fantastic. Okay, so we're in Julien. We're having a tough time crossing the road here because the traffic is so heavy right now. And it's a Saturday afternoon. That's part of the reason that it's this busy, but the other part of it is it snowed just the other day. And people are actually coming up from San Diego just to see the snow because they've, you know, just for something to do. It's really quite remarkable how busy this town has become as a result of a little bit of snow. So yeah, I'm up here with Vic. We're on our way to the Salton Sea, as we've been talking about, but we had lunch at Jeremy's on the Hill, and it turns out it's like literally 1 minute down the road from there is a place that's owned by my wife's cousin. Thought it was kind of cool. We just stopped to have a look around. I've heard a lot about this place, and here it is. But look at the snow out here. It's such a beautiful spring day here in Southern California. But as you go further up into the hills here, there's still quite a bit of snow here.